I've never done this map. What's my role?
Don't explode.
Ah, good. Keep the basics.
It is hot. Stay away from the white dwarf.
Check.
Yeah, it's extremely hot, so don't alpha.
And if you don't believe us, just wait. You're gonna see it real quick.
Just look up.
Or forward.
Do not fart, your cockpit will explode.
Holy crap.
Alright, Grandpa.
Pretty.
Yep, where was that position, that hard point you said talked about?
Good God.
You can go right or left.
Let's hit right.
Okay, right. You want to get through the gate and turn right immediately. And get through the buildings to Charlie 5.
Alright, rally Delta 6. Rally Delta 6. Unless you want us to go in as fast as we can, Grandpa.
I'd burn.
Go, go, go. Get in there and establish that hard point. You're Delta 5, right hand side.
Delta 5, right hand side, copy.
Get me up there. I didn't make it.
Airstrike online.
You can only jump up from the left-hand side.
Alright, our goal is to get into that hard point near that Charlie 5 corner, right?
Correct. Turn in, turn right, go straight until you get to the wall.
That is our new home. Make it ours. All clear so far?
Copy.
Alpha Lance, move in.
We following the same path? Keeping to the right?
Keep to the right and then hard into Delta, into Charlie 5, Grandpa.
Charlie 5. I'm scouting for the enemy at the moment.
Is that a drop zone?
Target acquired.
No, it is not.
Roger that. Okay, yep. Come on, handler.
71.5. Move as fast as I can.
New target acquired.
Everyone else, follow us in. Follow us in. Follow us in. Alright, Boa, handler, follow me.
Following Murphy.
On you.
This is now our home.
Airstrike online.
Make it ours.
Okay, this is ours.
New target acquired.
Alright guys, don't worry about shooting.
Alright guys, I've stood them up. They're stopped where they're
Go,
stopped.
go, go. Don't shoot.
You're
Move.
clear to get in. And I've set the bait. They should be coming.
If you have really good aim, you can drop an arting on that UAV.
Let's not risk it right now.
Cover both approaches.
Okay, we got a range box, kill box of 250 meters here. If they come in here,
We got him. Yep. Set up, and I want at least 4 mechs looking right to watch that kill zone. The rest of you look left. They're clanners. They'll get cocky and they'll get hungry. Don't do the pug shuffle. Look, wait for them to clear the corner and then blast them. Grandpa, set the hook.
Hey Murph, when we set it up.
New target
Here we go.
Delta.
acquired.
yep.
He's regretting his life decisions.
Left flag.
We're still shooting legs.
Here's
or center
leg.
mass?
Affirmative. Go for legs.
Move it in for leg. Handlers moving.
Negative, negative. Don't move.
10-4. Moving back.
I got this.
Right
New
side.
target acquired.
Just a little ladder.
Good kill, Righteous.
Pull back. Get clear of that kill zone. Pull back a little bit. We're up. We've all but won. We just gotta kill the Omega. They have to kill more of us.
Well, at some point we have to get Omega though, because we're encountered.
Agreed. But that's what we have Grandpa for.
Seismic right. Seismic right.
Right side.
New target acquired.
Hotel.
Sorry, Dave. That was me.
No more seismic, just hotel. He's out.
Boy.
He put up a UAV.
Can I get that?
I got it.
I can't. It's in the sun.
Don't worry about it. I shot it down.
Got it.
It's down.
Contact shooting at Grandpa left side. Panic fire.
Murphy popping UAV now.
New target
They got
acquired.
4 set up on the right.
Yep, pulling, stay in cover.
Get your fields of fire, anticipate double
New
push.
target
There,
acquired.
hold coming up. Nice.
Handle our opponent back all the way up to the wall.
Hotel splash.
New target
Nice
acquired.
kill.
Smoke on you, Righteous.
Smoke righteous, smoke righteous. Go
Yeah, I
forward, go
see it.
forward.
New target acquired.
Hold. Hold.
Juliet's thinking about it.
UAV up.
I just got cover fire. Don't.
Heads down.
Thank you.
Righteous, I got you back. Right above you at 6.
Another one
I
up.
want them to make the first push, and then we're going to push for the Omega. And then we'll fall back here.
UAV down.
Yeah, we should probably go Echo 4, Fox 4 for Omega though, so we are not passing through the.
Affirmative, affirmative. Don't fall for it. They're trying to goad us.
Can they just pick up the
Grandpa?
little ones?
New
Grandpa, be
target
careful.
Juliet,
acquired.
left
Left
side.
side.
Seismic right.
Kid Fox is regretting that, Juliet. Took half his health, he's backing off.
New target acquired.
Evan.
Lost the torque. Next.
You're kind of out bad, Righteous. Grandpa, how are they staged?
I'm in back here with you. Let me go look.
Yeah, just
I'll go
quickly. I don't want to sit here forever.
Copy.
New target acquired.
There they come.
Coming around the backside.
Backside, dude. Delta
Yep.
3.
Watch out, that Kid Fox is coming.
Which
Grandpa,
si-
shoot him with CT.
How are they situated, Grandpa?
They're sitting out in the Echo 4 Delta 4 area, scattered.
Yeah, Delta Force, Direwolf, and the Warhawk sitting.
Can we push one side and crush it?
I'm trying to squirrel them.
If we want.
Charlie
Target
squirrel, 2
acquired.
squirrel, push right.
Push right
Yeah, we got-
now.
Pushing right.
Delta Force.
I'm gonna hold rear guard in case they circle.
Negative. India.
First
India.
one died.
India. Mad Dog.
Red smoke, red smoke.
Next one. Kilo.
We're all clustered up.
Kilo.
What do you-
Kilo.
What do you want to
Mix
drop?
with them.
down?
Mix with them.
Fast
Next
baller,
mech. Sniper.
Sniper.
Roger that.
Next mech. Kill. Bravo.
There's some under the bridge to the right.
Roger.
Right,
Bravo
Echo.
on the right. Bravo on the right. Correction, Mike.
Airstrike activated.
Airstrike out on Bravo.
It's just Alpha Dire.
Alpha Dire. Alpha Dire.
There's a Warhawk and a Dire Wolf.
New target
Bravo.
acquired.
Bravo. Right side. Sweep around
I'm a
them to the
stick,
left.
I'm a stick.
Copy.
I'm out.
It's down.
On Echo. On Mike.
Yep.
New
Swing to the right.
target
Swing to the right.
acquired.
Swing to the right. Avoid the assaults. Hit Mike.
Smoke down.
Get center artillery on them. They're all bunched up right there.
Yep,
New
Mike's
target
on.
acquired.
You want fast brawler next?
No, we just did that one, didn't we?
New target acquired.
Sniper
Yeah.
next.
Sniper next. Sniper next.
Roger, sniper.
All right, guys, mix it in. Go, go, go. We spooked them. Now we follow in with the kills. Don't stop.
Don't chase the squirrel.
I'm
On the
squirrel.
right, on the right, on the right. Assault mechs. Alpha.
One on off.
Get Charlie center torso.
AMS ammo at
Bell out.
25%.
Stop moving back and forth.
Missile.
Too much rocks.
Target acquired.
Get out.
Mike, side torsos.
Oh,
All right.
New
Golf,
target
golf, golf.
acquired. New target acquired.
Golf.
Off right torso. Or center.
Mech spawning in.
Watch two more kills and we're good.
Mech
What do you want
spawning
for
in.
next, Mech?
Sniper.
Push up to the gate. Hold the gate.
Echo 5.
Yes.
Handler holding station, Echo 5.
Call targets.
Shit, I'm out of ammo.
Call targets if you're out of ammo.
Oscar. Left torso.
AMS destroyed.
I'm down.
I'm down.
They're
All right,
pretty
that
cheap.
kind of worked, kind of didn't, because it's freaking just tight quarters.
Way too tight.
All right, live and learn.
Airstrike
The diff
online.
is up for range fight.
Reactor online.
The range
Sensors
fight is better on the
online.
left.
Weapons.
Yep, go left
online.
flank this time, guys.
Or left gate, I mean.
All systems
Gates clear,
terminal.
nothing moving yet.
Remember, guys, do not burn. If you died on that push, don't follow in to reinforce. We cannot be going in light on a wave. All copy.
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 They definitely have some injured mechs, so it's not actually imbalanced.
Yep.
Yeah, Oscar and Mad Dog
Coming
is
out,
staying
coming out,
inside
coming out.
torso.
Affirm to the left side.
Center, E5, Delta 5.
Right gate.
Yeah, don't stand in the gate. Let them.
Like I said, veer to left and right of the targets. But if you commit fully. If you push out to kill them, stay out and kill them with the rest of your team. They'll flinch before you will. We cannot be doing this piecemeal like bugs.
Target acquired.
I thought we were going left gate.
We are.
User in
Come on,
your
guys.
channel
Left
timed
gate.
out.
Left gate. Handler and Deus. Left gate.
Roger.
Oh, Dargon.
So when you go into this gate, you can go two directions. Left is open ground, right is a narrow pinch.
Left side then. Left side when you get in the open.
Alright, handler's going in the gate.
Oh, wait. We're not ready.
Oh, I'm sorry. They said go.
Meant get out of the line of fire with that right gate.
10-4.
All right.
Seismic, left side. It's a keys to the right on the gate.
He's coming up.
It's coming out.
We got movement out the right gate.
Push in now. Push in now. Articulate. Follow us in.
Roger that.
Go left. Go left. Go left. Go left.
Handler busting left.
I got you covered.
Push for the Omega and kill it.
Dropship in.
Come on, guys. If you're outside, you're wrong. Move in.
Yep, come on, guys. We'll Lance in the rear. Push for the Omega and kill it.
New target acquired.
Firing on Sierra.
New target acquired. Warning, incoming missile.
Get fire on the Omega.
New target
Got
acquired.
Tango right here.
Yep. Don't stop. Don't stop. Come on, BigZach. Alright, everyone. Pour fire on the Omega.
Good kill, Grandpa.
I say again, fire into the Omega. All copy.
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 Want it dead. Quickly. Mambo,
New
switch
target
left.
acquired.
Please put a burst in it. Excellent, excellent. Reform, Golf 3. Reform, Golf 3. Fight from this crater.
New target acquired.
Fight towards Fox 4. Repeat. Fight for Fox 4. Fight for Fox 4.
Roger.
Fox 4, copy. Pushing Fox 4.
Roll Fox 4. Engage
Oscar,
targets
we're
on
off.
your left.
New target acquired.
Fighting with tree. Fighting withdrawal. Let's go. Articulate. Just get moving. Don't worry about shooting.
If you get
Trying, I'm stuck on rocks.
I know. That's what I
New
mean. Stop
target
shooting.
acquired.
Trying to get moving.
Handler on point, Fox 4.
Roger, roger. Argon, you're covering our butts. Fire on targets as you see them.
Need help with November.
Roger. Come on, guys. Fox 4. I'll cover the rear. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. I got the rear.
Target destroyed.
November down.
Good kill.
Are we pulling out of the gate?
Wait for the rest of us. Murphy is turning
You
and
get
running
out?
now.
Target acquired. New target
User
acquired.
joined your channel.
Dargon, shoot what you can.
Okay.
New target
We're up on kills.
acquired.
We're withdrawing.
Okay. Staying
Cash it.
outside.
You're too slow. Or
New target
too slow.
acquired.
Just keep moving. Never.
Handler down.
Firing line. Make a firing line right here. Get them as they come in to push our
New
guys.
target acquired.
Handler's
UAV
bringing
up.
lerms.
UAV activated.
gonna
Handler
do
bringing
New
lerms.
target acquired.
Whiskey on the left. Shoot for something weak.
New target acquired.
Oh, team kill. Good job, guys.
Where are we rallying?
Fox 5. Fox 5. Whiskey on the left flank. Rain target. Whiskey. Rain target. Whiskey.
Raining.
Murphy is down. Next mech.
Alpha,
Bat.
Alpha, Crow. Alpha, Alpha,
Bat
Crow.
roll.
Missile. Right arm critical damage.
Hugen or
Good shot
3L.
on Alpha, Alpha. Hit
3L.
Bravo.
Down.
Say again, rally point.
Fox 4. Just outside the gate.
10-4.
Next inside.
Oh,
push
mech
out
do you want
towards
next?
Fox 4.
Anybody
Fat
get
brawler.
UAV?
Fast
Put her up.
brawler. Fat brawler.
Negative on UAV at this time.
Airstrike online. Reactor online. Sensors online. Weapons.
We're still up on kills?
online.
Roger.
Down
Up by
one.
one.
Systems nominal.
Down by 2.
Pull back out of the gate, guys. Don't push in.
Out of the gate.
Target
Out of the gate.
acquired.
Don't pug shuffle. Repeat. Do not pug shuffle in. Don't do the back and forth thing. Take a spot. Hold it like you mean it. Fat brawlers are inbound. Clean up the kills.
Where's the
10 minutes
rendezvous?
remain.
if you
They're
clean up
withdrawing.
the damaged ones,
Yep, we're gonna make one concerted push in to clean up the dead ones. If you're too slow to get out, don't push in. Shoot from the edges. Rally point is going to be Echo 6. Echo 6.
User disconnected from your channel.
Almost went very well, but we turned around to shoot too fast, unfortunately. Too soon on that second withdrawal.
Hey Murph, I'm sitting in Echo 5 watching seismics. I got nothing over here in the right gate.
Copy that, Boa.
Lerm, set up left side at Fox 6.
Lerms, you're gonna be our big stick. I call target. I want it to die. I want it to die.
I'm on a leash. You got the handle.
Grandpa's ejecting, grabbing a Raven.
Roger. We already have one. We have one.
All I am is 2 mediums.
Okay, fair point. Although now we gotta kill another one. Could have used your armor, but
Don't worry, they're really messed up.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Alright guys, please try to watch running in front of me, because you will get body parts knocked off.
Alright guys, remember that. Veer left and right of the targets. I know it's really hard on this map because of, lack of freaking wet room to move. Like right now, I'm stuck on a rock. Son of a...
Focus, guys.
You can probably just hit them with a bunch of lights and alarms.
Yeah, we could, but I didn't specify lights, unfortunately.
I'm 100 kph, Murph, so I'll catch up.
Right. Gentlemen, follow me in. 3, 2, 1, follow me. Right on me. Right, just look right, give me an idea.
No one here, they're
Lerms, pull in tight behind us, our rear group. You are our rear line.
10-4.
Roger.
hell on it.
Probably the best defensive position they can.
Yeah, let me... Before we pour in.
Hold on, Murphy. Hold on, Murphy.
Yes.
New target acquired.
This way. Looks like
You're cutting out.
You're cutting out. Our back is clear.
Yep.
They're on his position. Repeat, they're on his position. Follow
New
me. We're heading
target
slightly
acquired.
right. Slightly right. Fan out.
Artillery out of position, no angle.
they're all behind Fox 2. Behind and around Fox 2. So even if we kill some, they're gonna respawn.
Yep. We do not go in there. We stay outside. We use the buildings to cover our asses.
Target acquired.
Rain target. Romeo. Fire at will.
Rain. Lost lock. Lock acquired.
He's behind
Lost it
cover.
again.
We stay out of Fox 2. Stay out of Fox 2. Shoot into it. Kill stuff, and then fall. We are going to run away. Oh yeah.
Probably get a better angle from Echo.
Are they pulling the same thing we did with Fox 1?
Yep.
Where exactly are they?
Airstrike online.
Should I pop a UAV?
I'm just popped one.
Yep.
New
On the right.
target
Roger that.
There you go.
New target acquired. Airstrike online.
Bonin, you're locking people in.
Yeah,
Can't
Bonin,
stick around
move
that
out.
corner.
Give me a target.
New target acquired.
Go back.
Enemy UAV out.
New target acquired.
Down.
All right. When I give the call, you run. All
Target
copy.
acquired.
Everyone, follow me in.
Airstrike.
There's a lot of them hurt, but they're gonna respawn
New
right.
target acquired.
Targeting Charlie, Charlie, adder, 50%.
Airstrike out.
Activated.
Keep striking them, they're all sitting there in a hole.
Yep, drop party. One behind us.
New target acquired.
Guys, do not run in front of me.
Sorry.
Raining Victor. Lost lock.
Bravo, Bravo, on the right.
Zilla behind us.
Bravo, Bravo.
Yeah, someone blocked me.
Alright, guys, bug out, bug out, bug out, bug out. Echo 3, go, go, go.
Go.
Stop
Sorry,
shooting,
Murph.
turn.
Lights can mop up.
Everyone turn and run. Everyone turn and run except the lights. Don't want to see you shooting. Unless
Handler
you're
on
light.
station.
Run, run,
Alright,
run, run.
guys, run. Go, go, go. We've won.
Back to the gates.
Keep going. Left.
Go where we were.
Out the gate we came in. Out the gate we came in. Not.
Oh, you said Echo 3, I'm sorry.
Go to Fox 5, guys. Fox 5.
Roger, Fox 5.
Whoa, whoa.
Handler moving.
Target
They're coming from.
acquired.
I'll get that alpha gun.
Alright.
Target destroyed.
Keep going to the gate, guys.
Let's go, let's go.
Keep running. Keep running.
Come on, Powen. Got you covered. Get going.
I'm running as fast as I
Ah,
can.
damn it.
I got you, buddy.
Still ahead by 4.
Keep running, guys. Let's go. To the gate.
Trying to win.
I'll
not
play
kill.
some games with them.
Good kill, Righteous.
Lights are here to
Yeah,
get
keep
the kills
moving.
for us.
I got a fresh mech.
Outside the
behind.
gate and take up positions along the sides.
Affirmative. That's our goal, guys.
Roger, outside the gate.
Light mechs go.
I'm out.
Are gonna cover our rear and pick off the
Target
unlucky
acquired.
ones.
Handler's out.
I'm gonna get killed, guys.
And so, unfortunately, Powen, that's kind
But
of.
it's okay.
It's gonna have to happen. We're up on
Okay,
kills. 2 minutes
Target
left.
destroyed.
Dargon, come back out.
Form a
I'm
firing
coming,
line
I'm
outside next to the gate.
Yep. Form
Not
firing
in-
line. Cover that gate.
And make it so you're
Target
covered, so
acquired.
they have to come up.
Yep. Make so they have to come out and see you, and then they die. We're up on kills.
Oh, I made it out safe.
Target destroyed.
India, India down.
Thank
that
you.
10-4.
Haha.
Come on, guys, get out here. Outside the gate, let's go.
Get out the gate. Get
Yeah,
out
I got
the
that
gate.
bad
Keep moving,
dog that's
I-
on your tail.
We're coming, we're covering them.
145.
Don't stand in front of the gate. Stand left and right.
Somebody cover the other gate, the right gate.
Murphy's on it.
Yep.
10-4.
Oh, all right. I'm
No, I go
fresh.
there. I'm almost.
Fresh. I'll cover the.
Seismic
Contact,
coming.
Mike.
Here we go. Here they come.
Target
It's their last
acquired.
Don't stand in a way.
Yep. Don't move in front.
Grandpa,
Don't move
you
back
just
and
moved
forth.
in front of me.
Keep open lines, guys.
Hey
Left
guys,
and right of the.
Left and right, not in the center.
New water. You gotta get out from in front of me, bud.
Acquired.
Sorry. Renewing.
Smoke.
November, Ice Ferret. Let them come out. Don't shoot them when they are.
Incoming missile.
Don't.
Okay, Mike,
Get-
Mike.
Yeah, Mike.
Move their legs.
New target
That's what we want
acquired.
then.
Drop artists into the.
Kilo.
New target acquired.
I have Kilo. Ignore him.
Ammo at
Hotel down.
25%. New
November.
target
Oscar.
acquired. New target
Alright, they all came out.
acquired.
Oscar.
They hit Oscar.
New target acquired.
They're all overheating.
Warning incoming missile.
Alright, now it's beautiful.
Airstrike on.
running. Get November. They have
Alright,
spawn.
general push. Go, go, go.
I think he's the only one
Red
left.
smoke, red smoke at the gate, red smoke.
Push
It already
that was
hit.
mine. That was mine.
We got this.
Opponent, did you die? You
Nope. I killed 5, I think.
Great
Well
work.
done. Holy shit, it worked.
That's fun.
Good comms, good
And it's a
comms.
tough,
Sorry guys
it's a
for
really
falling
tough
away.
map to come.
Yes. Alright, that map